Hey, this is Thanksgiving's revenge. I got punked by these turkeys. I don't really know what to do, but they won't let me pass them. Look at them, they're creeping up on me. I might have to kick a turkey. I think I need a stick. Oh, hey, what is it? What is this? What are you, raptors? Back up, fool! With your waddle. I never thought I had to fight a turkey. Hey, this is Thanksgiving's revenge. What? Oh, I start kicking and you start running. What's the matter? That's what I thought. With your poke. I mean, I was just kidding. You stay right there. Oh. I'm gonna eat you for Thanksgiving. What y'all know about the top of the food chain? Come here. Come on, get over here. Tell your friends about me.